Flippin' Hippos YouTube channel. I'm Star, and today we're going to be unboxing a box of plush. Now, this is a mystery box to me. It's a mystery what's in here. I have gone ahead and opened it up so that I didn't have to open it on camera. Long-time viewers may remember a time when I used to open boxes on camera. No, I don't do that anymore. It's very painful to watch me open boxes. So it has been pre-opened, but I don't know what's in there. I can see some stuff. So this was not a purchase. This was not a wholesale lot that we bought. This was actually a gift from my friend Donna. And she put a little note in there and just says, to my friend Star, I hope you have fun selling these plush. And so these were just a gift. Donna was cleaning out her inventory and she had a lot of extra plush. And so she picked some out to send to me as a just because, you know, she's a nice person. So thank you so much, Donna, for this box. And we're going to go ahead and start looking at these guys. And I'm already in love with this one and I may not be able to sell him. I can see his face. You guys, this is a Sloth. He's a Kelly toy, which is a good brand of plush. It's a solid bread and butter. Sometimes it can be more than that. But look how cute. Sloths are popular. People do enjoy sloths, and he's pink, so he's different. But I don't know. I don't know if I can let him go. He's so cute. Okay, we'll put you down, and we'll look at the other guys. Our other friends in here. I see another Kelly toy. And this one is a cute monkey. And he says love. So even though it's April, I would still use Valentine's Day as a keyword on this monkey. You'd be surprised the different holiday plush sell all year round. So I always use the keywords. I'll put love and Valentine's Day. Isn't he cute? Look at his little face. And then we have Mary Meyer. That's a nice brand. This is Mary Meyer, baby. Oh my goodness. They're all so cute. Oh my gosh. How did Donna put all these friends in a box and send them to someone else? It's going to be hard for me to sell them. They are so cute. This guy's a Gans, which is good. And he's realistic. So I would put realistic for his keywords. This is I want to say he's a leopard. He might be a cheetah. I always get those spots mixed up. I'm pretty sure this is a leopard. Oh my goodness. Can you tell how much I love plush? Plush are just so much fun. So much fun. Here is a pink flamingo Kelly toy. Maybe I should keep him instead of the sloth. Maybe I should keep them all. I can't keep them all. The pink flamingo is super cute though. And people do think of these when they think of Florida. So cute. And I think this is a Velveteen Rabbit. It sure is. This is the Velveteen Rabbit. And he's Kohl's Cares. So a lot of the Kohl's Cares plush, most of them, in fact, are characters from children's literature. And they have some from shows. But they almost always come from literature. Look at this guy. So cute. Aurora. That's another brand that's really good. And this is an owl. Got FAU. I do really well with owls. I think that owls are one of those animals that have a following. Like there's people out there that love owls and collect them. My owls never sit for very long. And we have Beverly Hills Teddy Bear Company. So I've had a couple from this brand. I don't find it very often, but it does do really well. And the comps are usually on the higher end. But I don't find it that often. This is a super duper cute bunny, and he has wire in his ears. So you can rearrange his ears around. And I will use Easter Bunny on him because, again, even though Easter is Sunday, still a good idea to use the right keywords. People buy Christmas plush in July and Valentine's Day plush in October. And this is another Aurora. This looks like a Benjamin Franklin bear. So he should fetch a good price. He should comp pretty high. Really cute too. Look at his little glasses. He's a little Benjamin Franklin bear. And then there's a special present in here, surprise, that Donna sent for me. This is the Rocky Horror Picture official poster magazine. So super cool. So super awesome. So there's 2 giant pinups, 2 Transylvanian pin. These are so cool. Thank you, Donna. Thank you so much. These are really awesome. I'm going to have to get the posters out and measure them and order some frames off of Amazon or Walmart and get them up on my walls. So thank you again so much, Donna, for the special present. I really appreciate it. Very nice of you to send me these plush. And I will definitely have fun photographing and listing my new friends. And I don't know if I'm going to keep the Sloth, but I'm going to have to decide because I really feel an attachment towards him. But thanks again. And guys, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns about any of the plush or brands you saw today, go ahead and ask me in the comments below. Hey, hit the thumbs up before you leave. Don't forget to do that. It really helps the channel a lot. And if you haven't already and you'd like to, please subscribe to the channel and help us feed Hungry Hippo. And hey, go make some money. Go be productive. Until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching. Y'all are the best. Bye.